Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for 26 March 2021. So this analysis is for 26 March only. You'll see me on Sunday week again with a new list of stocks for Monday. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendations. And I have a small request. If you are busy right now and if you're doing something, you are traveling or something like that, then please watch the video later. Because see, this is not a signal service. The main purpose of this video is to educate you so that you can also understand why you need to take a trade, where do you need to take a trade. Okay, so my main motto is to educate you. So please watch the video when you're free on. Okay, so let's jump to the chart then. So we can see that I have already the name of the first stock here, MFC. Okay, and the last traded price of the stock is 26.97. Okay, and you can see that there is a support available at this level, 26.6 level. And yesterday it has tested the daily support and it bounced from there, which is a very good sign, which signifies that yes, 26.6 is a valid support. Therefore, in case the stock see some selling pressure today and comes down, then once the stock gets near to the 26.6 level, then just watch the stock. If you see that the stock is bouncing from 26.6 level, you can buy the stock at this support. And in case there is a gap up open, then buy the stock at 27 level. Okay, because yesterday it has formed a hammer kind of a pattern. Hammer kind of a pattern generally suggests that there is good buying pressure on the stock because see the price rejection from below. Okay, so if you get the stock above 27 also, then also it's a good buy. Okay, so let's jump to the second stock, that is ENB and Bridge, one of the most popular stock in TSX. For Enbridge, you can see that it has formed a doji or pin bar kind of a pattern with great price rejection from below. Just look at the price rejection. It has also tested the daily support, which is available at 45.7 level. So 45.7 is very important for the stock. In case the stock comes down today and you get the stock near 45.7 level, just observe the stock. If you see that it is bouncing from 45.7 level, grab it. It's a buy. On the other hand, you can also buy the stock above this level. 46.5 level. Because 46.5 it has a resistance. So if market cross or the stock crosses 46.5 level also, you can buy. So two prices for ENB, 45.7 in case the stock goes down, and in case the stock goes up, then you need to look for 46.5 level. So these are the two prices for ENB. So the third stock for the day is BMO, Bank of Montreal. As I always say, very good stock, very nice stock with beautiful chart, undoubtedly. The stock has closed at 112.23 yesterday, and as we all know, it is in a very good uptrend. Therefore, we will only looking for a buy opportunity. Buy opportunity above 113. As the stock is in good uptrend, taking support at the daily support level at 110.8 level, so no need to look for shorting opportunity, because if the stock goes down also, you will be going against the trend. That is not a good thing. So just look for buy opportunity only above 113. This is the level, and it has formed a good bullish candle also yesterday. That's why we are looking for buying opportunity only above 113 level. This is the third stock. Let's jump to the fourth stock, and the fourth stock is CM, Canadian Imperial Bank. Another beautiful stock with beautiful uptrend, and you can see that the stock is in heavy uptrend. Bulls are simply dominating the market, but there is a resistance at 127 level, and the stock is kind of unable to break out the 127 level. So in case you get the stock above 127.10 level, okay, then it's a buy. In case there is a gap up open, then wait for 15-30 minutes and just see how the stock is doing. If you see that the stock is trading comfortably above 127 level, it's a buy, because that will be a clear indication that the resistance has become the support. Okay, so buy call for CM, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, above 127.10 level. Now let's switch to the last stock. It's Brookfield Property Partners, BPYUN. BPY.UN, Brookfield Property Partners. You can see that Brookfield Property Partners, the stock has formed a big green candle yesterday, and the stock is trading support at the 50 moving average also. Overall, the stock is in uptrend, so only buy opportunities only, no shorting calls. As you can see, there is a resistance, or there was a resistance at 22.5 level, but the stock has literally crushed the daily resistance yesterday with the huge buying pressure. Just look at the size of this candle. Therefore, we will be only looking for buying opportunity above this level, or above the next resistance on the daily chart, which is at 22.85. Therefore, if you get the stock above 22.85 level, it's a buy. In case there's a gap up open, wait for 15-30 minutes, let the resistance become the support, then only buy. In case there is a breakout during the market session, wait for 15-30 minutes and just observe the price. If you see that the stock is trading comfortably above 22.85 level for 15-30 minutes, then you can go for a buy. Okay, so these are the 5 stocks that you can trade on 26 March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendation. Thank you so much. All the best. See ya on Sunday again with a new list of stocks for Monday. Bye bye.